Constable Painter, booster seats and seatbelts.
This is Constable Painter with a booster seat. This is Constable Painter with an undercover car. We are wearing seatbelts. I am in the front seat. I am in the undercover police car. Mrs. Morgan thinks we look amazing. I am in Constable Painter's car. We are in Constable Painter's car. We are wearing seatbelts. I am wearing my seatbelt. I am in Constable Painter's police car. We are in the back seat. I am in Constable Painter's undercover police car wearing a seatbelt. We are in the back seat of Constable Painter's car.
Luke, let's actually stop. Wait, that's recording.
I am in the front seat of Constable Painter's police car. We are in the back seat of Constable Painter's car. I am wearing a seatbelt. We are in a cop car!